What's up, guys? So I'm gonna attempt to do something pretty fun today. I hope that you guys are gonna like it, but it's something that I've never tried before. It's solving a Rubik's Cube in one breath. And by no means am I a speed cuber that's professional grade. I tried to learn how to speed cube years ago and I wasn't very good at it, so like my best time is like on average 45 seconds or something like that. But that said, I'm going to attempt to scramble this. Well, I'm going to scramble it and attempt to solve it in one breath. So let's see how this goes. And this is like an old model Rubik's Cube from like maybe the 2000s or 1990s. So it's by no means a, professional grade cube. But anyway, here it is, all scrambled. I'm going to do a little bit of inspection, see if I can cut my time down on making my cross or whatever, and then after that we're gonna just go for it. So alrighty, let's see, at 1:45 I'll start looking. Okay, inspection phase is over, and now I just got to get a deep breath. Done. I don't know how long that was, but man, that was hard. Whew. I was about to fail, but you see, I did it. Whew. And now that that's done, I got another surprise for you. Whew. I'm actually going to solve this Master Kilominx puzzle on camera as well. So I know I didn't say that in the beginning of the video, but here we go. So let's kind of get the camera in on it, and hopefully, boy, I feel like I lost brain cells doing that, but that was a lot of fun. Whew. Hopefully I can make this under a 10-minute video, but it's so hard to breathe right now. Ooh. Oh. So right now I'm just doing the centers here, so let's see here. Hope that blue is connected to white like this. I think it is, actually. I can't wait till I can get to the store and get a video camera for this, because I'm tired of making really short videos. Let me see. Just make sure that this is right. Nope, the reds belong on that side. Darn. Okay, well, at least we discovered that early on. I hope that it caught the whole solve of that cube on camera. It would be a shame if it wasn't visible to you guys. Let's see here. So far, it looks like I got 4 centers done. 4 center groups. Ugh, got a headache kicking in. Let's see here. I believe that yellow is next to blue here. I really wish that my hands weren't obscuring a lot of the puzzle for you guys. Let me try and get it in the camera more. There we go. Yeah, I'm by no means fast at the Master Kilominx. It's like I said, I'm not really a professional grade speed cuber. I have solved a regular Rubik's Cube blindfolded before, but that was so long ago now, like 3 years ago. I don't even remember the algorithms to do it. Just pretty sad. I'm trying to figure out where what color goes next to yellow. I'm truly brain farting here. It's not violet, is it? Oh, I suppose it could be. Yeah, it is. All right. See, I'm losing it. Too many brain cells lost with that breathless solve. Whew. Okay, so now I got 6 groups of centers done. Looks like I can put together those. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a 10-minute long video. It's going to be longer, but hopefully you guys will still enjoy it all the way through, which I think you will. Let me see here. There. Man, this bugger's not wanting to turn. Let me see here. There we go. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but you know, I mentioned that I was into fitness and bodybuilding and whatnot, but I've grown quite a bit in the last 4 months even. Went from a 13.5 inch flex to like about 15. So it's not a ton of progress because I'm not really new to bodybuilding. It's just that before I worked a job where I couldn't afford to supplement, and back then I was kind of a hard gainer. My body didn't want to put any weight or muscle on for that matter, so it just made it really hard. And I worked a minimum wage job, and it just wasn't, you know, it wasn't enough to supplement me with the calories that I needed to build good muscle. So I had to make the hard choice of quitting for about 2 years until I got my job for FCA. Let's see here. That's Fiat Chrysler, if you guys didn't know. Let's see here. Okay, so now I got the centers done, and now I'm just working on the boundaries. And like, there are ways to go about this that where like you do a reduction method or whatever, but I kind of have my own way of going about things. I just use commutators and things because it's just somewhat less confusing for me. I recognize patterns easier with this. So let's see here. Okay, I need a green and a white. Now sometimes I will pair them up, like if they're an easy pair, but I don't just, you know, do all the pairing up and then reduce it. I like to solve it in a layer by layer approach, I suppose. Oops. What did I do there? Hang on a second. I did something. Oh, okay. Let's see what I did. Or no, I don't. Oh boy. I guess I killed too many brain cells with holding my breath that long, because I'm having some brain farts here. Let me see here. Okay. Oh wait. So now we got an issue with the pink and yellow. That's interesting. I didn't even notice that. I split up the centers to it somehow. So here we're almost done with the star on the top face. This first step kind of works pretty much like a regular Rubik's does with the cross. That's how I go about my solve. So yeah, see, I made the star on the top now on the white side, and now I'm just going to start filling things in the F2L, except in this it's F3L, I guess. Yeah, this puzzle takes a little while for me to solve. Oh, I got a commutator here I can use. Come on. I can also solve this a lot faster than this. It's just because of the awkward camera angle, and I'm always trying to keep it in you guys' viewpoint. It's kind of more difficult to go fast at it. And holding my breath is giving me a headache. Go figure. Let me see here. Ugh. Ouch. Okay. Just got the blue and red. What you do there? Where are they? Oh, they're right there. Okay. Yes. Okay, so that pair's done, and already you can see they're starting to get filled in. You know, this is one of the only, I think this might be the only white plastic puzzle that I own, because I don't really care for it too much, but they did a good job with this one. I don't mind it at all. I do not mind it at all. There we go. Okay, so the last pair of F3L. Let's find it, I guess. Okay, so I see that. And where is the other green and violet? Oh, right there. Okay, that works. I do this, and then, yep, cut across there. Hope it's not going off the screen at all. Okay, so yeah, that's F3L done. And I got the rest of the puzzle to go. It's not too much longer, not too much more. Should speed up just because the number of moving parts is dwindling. Okay, so that would be what, orange and purple? Orange and purple? Hey, wait a minute now. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. I guess red and orange are across from each other, and pink and... Okay, well, that's only a minor setback. I just gotta change out my centers, I guess. Unfortunate. Okay, there we go. That works out a lot better. Okay. So now, I guess I'm looking for that orange, yellow, and violet one. Yeah. And then, okay, I see that there. Don't really need a commutator, can just pair them together. There we go. Yep. Okay. And now, just pair them up. I do not know what's going on, but it feels like something is crawling on my ear, but it's not. Let me see here. Okay, so I got the green and blue. I might as well use a commutator because it's in the right place anyway. Okay. I need to hurry up because at the rate I'm going, this is going to cut off and I'm going to be upset. Let me see here. Okay, I guess I'll just pop that in there. Come on. There we go. And then we'll use a commutator for this. Nothing too complicated. There we go. And see, getting more of it done. Got what appears to be 4 faces left. So yes, this is all right. And let's just do our commutator. Put that in. There we go. Let's find it. Green and blue, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Let's just do a commutator to put those two together. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just making split-second decisions here. Okay. Now we're getting a little bit faster here. And we got what? Green and orange. Boy, I can't imagine what the record is on this, but I know I ain't anywhere near it. I'm not, should I say, because ain't isn't the word. Although, who cares about being proper anymore? This is the 20th century, right? '21st century. Ugh. See, I'm telling you folks, my brain couldn't handle that breathless solve. Screwed all my thinking up. No, I can't use that as an excuse. Let's see here. Okay. I guess I can use a commutator to put that in place. Works for me. There we go. And then what do we have here? Okay, we can do this. Yep. and then connect them. That works. And then what? I guess those two can just use a commutator to pair those. Works. Kinda just use F2L pairing to what's going on here? Yeah. Alright, so now got all that done. We just got two faces, so I think we'll finish this in time, but I've said that so many times in the past. So we will see, I guess. Wait a minute. What do I got here? Okay, yeah. Just do that. And then that works for me. Got a green one there. Where's the red and pink? Okay, I see it. Goodness gracious, what am I doing? A whole lot of nothing. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. Get that out. Sorry if the camera angles are getting kind of fudgy. Trying to keep it on the screen as much as I can while focusing on doing this in a timely manner. Hey, what happened to my green and orange F2L pair? Well, not really F2L, but you know what I mean. Let's see here. Okay, so what am I doing? Come on. Okay, what did... Okay, whatever. It works. Okay, whatever. There we go. Okay. Man, usually this puzzle takes me about 15 minutes tops. This is really, and I've done it faster than that before. Just goes to show what time pressure does to you, I guess. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, what? Okay. Come on, Phil. You're goofing up here, pal. Okay. Now we just got... What do we have here? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it like this. And insert pink. Come on. Pink and yellow. Like so. Okay, so now we're down to the last layer. And a lot of our stuff is actually done for us, which is great. And it doesn't look like we have parity, which is even better. Which, I mean, parity really can't exist on this puzzle, but a lot of people call, you know, situations parity when they're not. So yeah, now we're real close. This is not even, this is just a Megaminx solve now. So, I guess we did do it in time. Okay. I know what you guys are thinking, no, count your chickens before they hatch, but this really is the end. I mean, I'd have to be really bad not to solve this in the time. Let's see here. Come on. Ooh, I'm getting way closer to the camera too. My bad, guys. It's probably causing it to blur out or something. Okay, so let's just do this simple commutator style and put the pieces in one at a time, I guess, huh? Okay, what is going on here? I need, okay, orange and blue. Oh wait, no, I need those two to switch. Okay, so now we just got these last 3 Megaminx edges. Real simple fix. What you do is, let me see if I can, yeah, alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this piece out of the way. And I know it looks different from what you would do on a Rubik's Cube or whatever, but the logic is the same. You're just kind of replacing the pieces by moving layers out of the way and then turning the top layer to reposition your target piece, and then undoing what you did before, which, you know, fixes everything. So yeah, here it is. Master Kilominx is solved.